Beef cheeks are tough and sinewy before cooking. But once slow cooked, they become melt in your mouth tender, with a deliciously rich, beefy flavor. Beef short ribs are a great option for replacing beef cheeks. They're marbled with fat and once cooked, become tender and full of savory flavor. If you don't like bones, then this won't be the best option for you, but keep in mind that bones help keep the meat tender and reduce the chance of overcooking. Oxtail is sliced from the cow's tail and makes another handy replacement. Laden with cartilage and fat, the tail is full of beef flavor and becomes incredibly tender once slow cooked. Brisket is a fatty cut of meat from the lower chest or breast of the cow. If you enjoy meat without bones, brisket is a great choice. It is a luscious, tender meat that can be sliced or shredded. It's perfect eaten with creamy mash or added to pasta or tacos. Osso buco is a popular cut of meat from the veal's shin bone. It is another tender variety of meat that falls apart once cooked over a long period in a sauce. Good quality veal is usually more tender than beef with a less intense beefy flavor. If you don't enjoy beef, then try lamb shanks. Their rich, luxurious depth of flavor is hard to beat. They're often served in high-end restaurants for a much higher price than it'll cost you to make them at home.